termites here in the wall, in the plasterboard. You can see the depression on the paints there, termites inside. We're just going to open it up, find the termites, and we're going to dust the termites using Termidor dust and get rid of them out of the house. See the workings of the termites inside here. You can see quite a lot of them up top there. Okay, just creating more holes here, getting into all parts of the activity in here, creating more dust in there, trying to get dust into as many areas, onto as many sections of the termites as possible. You can see them as I open it up, they're crawling out and coming out of the plasterboard. And see, basically they've eaten the paper off the back of the plasterboard, it's all fallen apart, and we've got quite a nest in the back here. Not a nest so much as their workings. It's quite unusual, they haven't actually got into the skirting boards here. They've only just got into the back here, into the framing of the timber here. So, but at this stage they haven't got into any of the skirtings around this area or up the top here.